Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the heart of India, there lived a young girl named Meera. Meera was known for her courage and adventurous spirit, but she had a secret fear, the legend of the Bhutni. The Bhutni was a ghost said to roam the village at night, haunting anyone who dared to cross her path. Some said she was the spirit of a woman who had been wronged in her lifetime, seeking revenge on the living. Others claimed she was simply a figment of imagination, born out of fear and superstition. Despite the villagers' warnings, Meera was curious about the legend of the Bhutni. She wanted to know if there was any truth to the tales that sent shivers down the spines of even the bravest souls in the village. One moonlit night, when the stars sparkled like diamonds in the sky, Meera decided to venture into the forest where the Bhutni was said to dwell. Armed with only a lantern and her courage, she stepped into the darkness, her heart pounding with anticipation. As Meera walked deeper into the forest, the trees seemed to whisper ancient secrets, and shadows danced around her like ghosts. But she pressed on, determined to uncover the truth. Suddenly, Meera heard a faint rustling behind her. She turned around, her lantern casting airy shadows on the trees. And there, standing before her, was a figure cloaked in darkness, the Bhutni. Meera's heart raced as she stared at the ghostly apparition. But instead of feeling fear, she felt a strange sense of compassion. She could see sadness in the Bhutni's eyes, as if she were trapped in a world between the living and the dead. Without hesitation, Meera approached the Bhutni, her lantern casting a warm glow around them. "Why do you haunt this forest?" she asked softly. The Bhutni's voice was like a whisper carried on the wind. "I seek justice," she replied. "Long ago, I was betrayed and left to wander these woods for eternity." Meera listened intently as the Bhutni told her story, a tale of love and betrayal, of promises broken and hearts shattered. She learned that the Bhutni was once a young woman named Lata, who had been wronged by those she trusted most. Filled with empathy, Meera vowed to help the Bhutni find peace. Together, they embarked on a journey to uncover the truth behind Lata's tragic fate. Through their adventures, Meera discovered that the villagers' fear of the Bhutni was born out of ignorance and misunderstanding. Lata was not a vengeful spirit, but a soul in need of redemption. With Meera's help, Lata's story was brought to light, and the villagers came to understand the truth of her plight. They realized that the Bhutni was not to be feared, but to be respected and remembered. In the end, Lata's spirit found peace, and the forest was no longer haunted by the spectre of the Bhutni. Meera had faced her fears and found a friend in the most unlikely of places. From that day forward, Meera became known as the girl who befriended the Bhutni. And though the legend of the ghost lingered in the memories of the villagers, it was no longer a tale of terror, but one of compassion and understanding. As for Meera, she continued to explore the world around her, knowing that sometimes, the greatest adventures can be found in the most unexpected places. And though she may never forget the night she met the Bhutni, she would always treasure the day shared.